Alright, here is the unknown ceiling fan number 2. Like I said in the video of that one, there's 3 of them. This is one of them. This is number 2. And yeah, since I have to walk over to the speed control, but I will keep an eye on it. It's in updraft mode, so I'm sorry about that. And again, they're all hooked up to the same switch, that's speed control. And hooked up to those lights, and those spotlights. And some people sometimes are coming over here for a little bit. And I guess I'll turn it on high, just to make this video kind of quick. This one wobbles terrible, and this one is slow. This is one of these slow ones. And off. Thank you for watching and enjoy this video. Bye.